What's up, you beautiful people? In this quick tip video, I'm going to show you how to fix your scratch discs if they're full and you can't save your stuff because your scratch discs are full. If this image looks familiar, you probably encountered the video where I showed you an editing demonstration, how to take an image from start to finish. Really cool video. If you haven't seen it, please check the link down below, or I will leave a link somewhere on the screen to that video. Anyway, moving on. So I have tried to save this video, and yeah, it wants me to save it from scratch. Haha, but unintentional pun. Alright, so it's in the folder with all the other images. Replace. And could not build a preview because the scratch discs are full. So how do we fix this? On a Mac, you're going to go to Photoshop, down to Preferences. Now on a Windows machine, the steps are going to be similar. It's just that you need to figure out where your preferences are. You'll probably find your Photoshop preferences under Edit in Windows or on a Windows machine. All right, so Preferences, down to Scratch Discs. Okay, and here we select our scratch discs. So as you can see, my Macintosh HD hard drive has only 4 gigabytes of space left. It's not enough. So I can select my Mac drive, which has 3,311 gigs, way more, and then press OK. And now, when I try to save, it's still going to make me do this again. So annoying. Save, replace, maximize compatibility. Ta-da! Fixed! Okay, so if that was really fast, very briefly, let's talk about this again. So you go to Preferences, you go to Scratch Discs, you select the drives with enough space for your scratch discs, and then you select OK. And then you should be able to carry on working as normal. Basically, all a scratch disk is, if you want to know, is it's the place where Photoshop will temporarily store information or processing. As it's processing your image, it's got to think, and that thinking takes up a lot of space. It's not permanent, so the scratch disk won't affect the file size, for example, but you might have a really large sort of temporary file on your scratch disk while you're working on your image. This temporary file will also hold things like history states, the ability to Control-Z your image, for example. That all gets held in your scratch disks, to my knowledge. Anyway, don't quote me on this, but I think that's how it works. Anyway, guys, I hope this quick tip video was helpful. It's been a while since I've posted. So sorry about that. Life has been crazy. I hope you guys survived COVID in one piece, and I hope you're all okay. Everywhere in the world, wherever you are. I love you guys, and please, if you want me to edit your image, pop me an email or a message and we'll chat. Thanks so much, guys.